Hello, in this video I want to show you how to apply debris protection to WORX WX803. And to do this, first you will need to remove those two screws from the main rotation tool right there, and then apply it like this. So you can see that there's two thingies stinging out from the main inside, and now we'll need to align it with two gaps that are located right here. It should go in kind of like this, and then we want to rotate it to the side where we'll be holding it, and preferably even like this, depends on where you have the handle. And now all you have to do is just close this clip, and that's how you apply it. Now we can screw in the grinding plate. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.